Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add discount code on Squarespace. The first thing you want to do once on your Squarespace website, you are going to tap on Commerce from the left hand column. After doing that, you are going to tap on Discounts right here. And once you have done that, you are going to tap on the plus in line with discounts right here. Now you can give your discount a name. So for example, you could label it New Year's Special or anything at all. Once you have done the name, you will see right where they say trigger, and you will see discount code, and you could enter your discount code that you would like to create right there, or you could tap on generate code. And also you can scroll down and you can see the percentage that you would like to give off, or if you would like to offer free shipping. For example, I'll tap on percentage off, then you can add the percent. So let's say for example 25%. And after entering the percent, you'll see applies to, and you can add it to any other order, or you could add it to a single product if you want. And once you're finished setting it up, you'll simply tap on save right here, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.